Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today what we have is the unboxing for my Series 7 Apple Watch. So it's finally arrived. Mine was slightly later than everybody else's just because it took so long to actually do the pre-order. So yes, I know you are meant to unbox this the other way, but it has my address on it, so I don't really want to show that. Right, so we have the Apple Watch out. And this is going to be a quick video. Not going to take too long doing this, so we'll just take a look at some of the details. So just focusing in there, you can see Series 7 blue aluminium case, 45mm, and I did order this with a size 4 braided solo loop in Abyss blue. Last year I actually ordered the size 5, and what I've found is I've not really used the genuine one as much, mainly because I've had these extra ones for work and stuff like that. But basically what's happened is the genuine ones kind of loosened up. Either that's loosened up, or the fact that I've got so used to wearing these third-party ones that I've basically just got into the habit of having it tighter on my wrist. The genuine one still fits fine. It's just not as snug as these extra ones that I've basically got. So taking a look, we have the box for the Apple Watch itself, and then we have the band. So what we'll do is we'll get the band out first. So unboxing the band is very similar to all the other ones. So you do have a little, as with all of the sort of unboxing experiences now, you have a little tear strip just there, and we will get this out if I can get my fingers on the actual section. Right, taking that out. Right, and one thing that really does annoy me is when during the unboxing you end up getting slightly scratched up sides as a result of pulling it out of there. And yeah, compared to my size 5, this actually looks a lot smaller. Obviously that one's probably stretched over time, so we'll pop that to a side and we will get the actual watch unboxed. And yes, you do have 2 tear strips, so one on either side. So we will tear that one and tear this one. And you'll need a little wiggle to get this out. Obviously not as weighty as the actual iPhones. So yeah, the box is actually pressed. It's actually pressed outwards, weirdly enough. You've got a little embossed sort of section, and first you get all your paperwork and everything. I don't think you get Apple stickers with these, but you do have a little guide in terms of how to use it, how to charge it, all the rest of it. Just details on the buttons, etc. We do have the new charging brick. Now I probably won't actually be using this. I don't basically need fast charging because generally whenever I do throw it on charge, if I'm using it for sleep tracking, I'll charge it after work the following day. So basically when I get back and I'm showering up after work, or if I'm not using sleep tracking, then I'll charge it overnight, which means it doesn't really matter how long it takes to charge. It's nice that we've got it, and it's a good option to have, but I probably won't be using that too much, mainly because I've got my MagSafe sort of setup going. Right, taking a look at the watch itself. So there you can see the new sort of packaging. This colour is obviously different to last year's, which I have the, I'm not sure what the blue was actually called, but obviously it was the first blue Apple Watch. Taking this out, one thing I did notice on everybody else's, yep, and it did do it on mine as well, where as soon as you take it out, I'm guessing it's something to do with the way that the home button is actually pressed, where as soon as you take it out of the case, it automatically turns on. So we'll get the band put on. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shuffle that one up, and yeah, that's much better. So this particular band, the size 4, I think fits me a lot better. Instantly, just looking at it, I did actually make a slight mistake when I initially watched the keynote and everything, because I assumed that the size of the watch was simply just getting bigger within the existing footprint. I didn't realize that the actual bezels shrunk, as well as the fact that the screen, basically the actual physical size of the watch also got bigger. So whilst it's not massively different, it is actually quite a bit bigger. So that's something that I'm actually looking forward to having, because basically I just want the biggest screen available. And obviously I'll go through in my other videos in terms of my thoughts on why I actually upgraded, because initially I did obviously say that I wasn't gonna. But yeah, if we just take both of these off, we take a look at them side by side. What I'll do is I'll get it set up, and then I'll give you a better idea in terms of what they're actually like once they're fully set up. Just taking a look at the actual sensors and everything, everything's identical, but yeah, this watch looks way bigger. I know it's only a tiny bit bigger, it's only a millimeter bigger, but it seems way bigger, just even from this small interaction with it. So yeah, that is the unboxing section. What I will do is I will either be posting this video separately, or I will combine this with another video and just give you my review at the same time.